Hey guys, my name is Scott Peterson. I am the owner and doctor of Peterson Family Orthodontics, and I just wanted to start making some videos to help answer a lot of questions that we get all the time. And probably the most common question we get is, do braces hurt? And the simplest answer to that is, it depends. It depends like what part of the process you're in. So that's what I want to dive into. So in a nutshell, when you get your braces on, it does not hurt. It does not hurt to get braces on. It is a very simple process, and you can talk to your orthodontist. It's very easy. It's kind of like getting, if you're a girl, it's kind of like getting your nails done. We just prep the teeth, and then we put the brackets on, and we shine a light on it, and that's what gets it to stick. And that whole thing doesn't hurt at all. Okay, then right when you leave the orthodontist, after your wires in or whatnot, again, it's not gonna hurt, okay? It's gonna feel weird because you got more metal in your mouth and everything, so you're not used to it, but it does not hurt. Now, probably starting 6 or 8 hours later, after you get your braces on, your teeth are probably gonna start to get a little bit sore, and that's very normal, okay? So when you first get on your braces, your teeth will be sore for 3 to 7 days, typically, on average, I would say is what most of my patients say. And so soreness means like it's gonna feel weird to bite into things because your teeth are gonna kind of feel bruised, almost like. But it goes away. So you might not see your orthodontist for 6 to 10 weeks. And so yeah, your teeth might be sore for about a week of that, but then the rest of the time, your teeth typically aren't sore, but they're still moving, which is the coolest thing, okay? So most of the time it's not hurting. Next time you come in for an adjustment from your orthodontist, you might get a new wire. And when you get a new wire, that wire is gonna move those teeth a little bit more. It puts a new pressure on it. And so again, yeah, your teeth are probably gonna be sore for a few days, okay? But I tell all my patients when they first get on their braces to do a few things, and it's gonna help with the soreness. And one of the biggest things is taking some medicine. It's okay, take some ibuprofen or Tylenol or alternate those two, and it really helps with some of that initial soreness to make it a lot more comfortable. Another thing, what people sometimes complain about is that they might get like a pokey wire or something. Yeah, those hurt, right? They're jamming into your cheek a little bit. And so just using some of that orthodontic wax, you can just put it back there and then it holds it right into place. There's a couple other cool things out there. You know, some of my patients love to use a product called Ortho Dots. They work even better than the regular orthodontic wax. You can get that off of Amazon. Or there's another one called Gishy Goo, and it works even better. It stays on and you kind of like mold it together and then it really stays into place. And that really helps a lot for those pokey wires that can cause some irritation to your cheeks for sure. Honestly, when you first get on your braces or after you have an adjustment, something that really helps at the beginning is to eat something really cold afterwards. Because the wires that we use right at the beginning, they get softer in cold environments. So if you eat a smoothie or ice cream or a milkshake or something, it will soften the wire so it takes away some of the initial pressure. And so, yeah, go tell your parents that you need to eat some ice cream or a milkshake, and it'll help. Another tip I have is, right, when you first get an adjustment or first get your braces on, you know, it's better to keep to pretty soft foods, okay? It's just gonna be more comfortable for you because you may not wanna chew things up really. You may not wanna chew things up that take a lot of chewing, if that makes sense. So I probably wouldn't eat like a salad or something like that. It's better to stick to, I kind of say Chinese food, Mexican food, Italian food, right? Rice, pasta, beans, noodles, stuff like that. It's just more comfortable to deal with some of that soreness. After the initial soreness wears off of getting your braces on, most days you're just gonna forget that they're even there. You know, it really is that comfortable. Another thing that we offer in our office, some orthodontists are offering this, but it's a newer technology. I'll talk about it in a different video, but it's called a dental pain eraser, and it's really making it a lot more comfortable for most of our patients. So please like, subscribe, and follow us so that you can see when we post more videos and you can learn more about your whole orthodontic journey and any questions that you may have. Drop a comment below if you have any other questions about braces or aligners or anything about orthodontics, and we will address those in future videos. Here's my final question. So those of you that have been through braces, try to think back. So did it hurt more to have braces, or if you stubbed your toe, or if you stepped on a Lego? And comment below, because I'd love to hear what you think. What was the worst? So if you're interested in finding out if you need braces or someone in your family needs braces, give us a call and we can schedule a free consultation for you.